Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can create a timing diagram for your spreadsheets and tables in Google Sheets. So let us get started. Alright, so let me remove that example sheet here and start again from that table here. So what you want to do is highlight the range of data you would like to convert into a chart. After that, click into Insert, select Chart from the drop-down menu, and here to the right in the chart editor, select your chart type by clicking into that drop-down menu. So if you'd like to go with several steps for your vertical axis and the timing, shown in steps, guys, you may go, for example, with the area chart, or to be more precise, with a stepped area chart here. Select this one, and now you can see these steps for the vertical as well as the horizontal chart resembling your columns of your table. So what you want to do next, guys, is customize these axes here, for example the vertical axis, by double clicking into it, and after that expand the grid lines and ticks settings here below. For example, you may select the different major spacing type. Now if you'd like to go with steps, simply click into it and select step, or you may go with count, and after that customize these steps, for example for scaling. Click into it and select, I don't know, for example 4, and you will see the steps here to the left, or 10, and that's 10 steps, as you can see here, for the vertical axis, guys. And that's it. That's how you do it. Let me close the chart editor. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.